Okay, we are back at Gavin's house and it is time to plant some seed. This is the old grass, obviously, and it is crispy dead. And we're gonna have a little fun to get started here. We're gonna see if it will burn. And we will burn it for a couple reasons. One, obviously, entertainment. And two, when you burn stuff like that, it actually creates carbon, good for the soil, consequently good for the lawn. It did rain earlier today, so it might put a damper on things, but why not try anyways? So we're gonna start with that, then we're gonna bring this lovely topsoil, spread it around, level things off, smooth it out really good, and then we'll get the seed down, walk you through step by step how to do this, and show you the seed that we're using and talk to you about that as well. Here we go. Well, that was quick. What did you think of that?
That was crazy. I didn't think Jimmy was gonna be bringing some crazy torch, like Elon Musk style with his like huge flamethrower gun, but
Not
that was
a flamethrower.
Amazing. That was amazing.
That was fun. That was hot, actually. That was really hot. Hotter than anticipated, but fun. Just so to give you perspective, because the camera just doesn't do it justice. This side near the actual walkway is higher and it slopes down into the back side of this curb here. And the majority of the dirt's gonna go on this curb and probably hardly any here. So the plan for now is just to get the soil in and then we can have a proper seed bed and go from there. It's also raining, which is perfect timing. It's cooling things off. Now for those wondering, and it is a little wet here, it did rain pretty good, but look at this soil. Look how good this looks. This is just fantastic topsoil that Gavin brought in. And this is the same topsoil that we used for the project over here where the bikes are. That's where we kind of leveled that off last time. Same soil, but they're actually putting more manure into this mix. So you're getting a lot more organic matter. And oh, this is just great. I'm excited to work with this. We're gonna get great seeding results out of this soil for sure. All right, so while Gavin does all the hard labor, I'm gonna tell you about the grass seed that we're gonna be growing. And if you've been watching my videos the last little while, you know that I just recently launched my own grass seed product. This is Jimmy's Blue Ribbon Premium Grass Seed. This is the exact same mix, same product that I use to grow my own lawn at home. It's what's there right now. I love it. It is tried, tested, and true premium grass seed. This is the good stuff. So when I was talking with the people over at Nature Seed about putting this together and making this happen, I had a couple of conditions and I wanted to make sure that you understood what makes this so good. If you look at the tag on grass seed, it's going to tell you about the different characteristics of that seed, what varieties are in there, the amount of weed seeds, etc., etc. My biggest thing was no weed seeds. And if you look at the tag here, our weed seed is absolutely 0. And the inert matter is also very low. That's just like extra stuff that's not gonna grow. 1.56%, that's hardly anything. So this is pure seed and it is gonna look just beautiful here on not only this park strip, it looks beautiful at my house. I know some of you who are watching have already purchased this. I hope that it looks just as beautiful at your house too. I will leave a link down in the description, of course, for you to check this out, get more information. Jimmy's Blue Ribbon Grass Seed. Excited to put this down here and show you the results over the next few weeks. All right, so we have everything down at this point. Went ahead and after we got everything graded and smoothed out really nice, which huge improvement, by the way, huge improvement. We went ahead and prepped for the seed, put down starter fertilizer and tenacity. Got that down to prevent weeds and to help with root growth and help just get things moving here. And then went ahead and sprinkled the seed down. I don't have a drop spreader, and so I just did it by hand. Some spots a little heavier than others, not a big deal. Took my landscape rake and lightly raked everything in, got some soil over it. Gavin and I have been just kind of walking on everything, pushing it in, getting some really good seed to soil contact. And then in the morning, Gavin's gonna come out here and cover with peat moss. I'm just currently out of time for the night. So getting a little late for me, getting dark, and I think Gavin's gonna be okay to take it from here. We're gonna cover it with peat moss, and then we're gonna start the watering process. And from there, we'll be growing grass. Very exciting. I'm super excited for Gavin and his family to have a beautiful park strip here. Are you excited? He's happy.
Super stoked.
Stomping it in. We'll be good to go here very shortly. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe and follow along so you can see results of this beautiful renovation. Also, if you're interested, I have a free guide that's available on my website. I'll link it down below. All the steps that were taken here to grow grass from seed. And again, my Blue Ribbon premium grass seed mix is linked below also. I'm excited to show you from scratch, growing it, and soon mowing it. So that's gonna go ahead and do it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. Gavin, thank you for giving me a canvas to work with here.
Anytime, Jimmy, anytime, seriously.
Okay, that's gonna do it. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time.